This hot tub cover is over 300 pounds. All right, so this client has this old hot tub cover. As you can see, there's some tears in it that led to moisture getting to the styrofoam, which then caused it to waterlog and harden. So now this hot tub cover that once was maybe 30 pounds is now over 300 pounds. So what you need to do in this situation is either chop it up, throw it away and get a new one, or open it up and pull the styrofoam out and figure out a way to replace the styrofoam. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I kind of have a plan, but I'm not exactly sure how to do it. So I'm gonna kind of learn as I go. I have the zipper open, so I'm gonna try to figure out somehow how to get this metal structural frame out, and then try to see if I can slide this heavy styrofoam out of the cover without damaging the cover more. I managed to get both zippers open. I can see the styrofoam. Some of the water barrier plastic was already ripped, which explains a lot. So I'm gonna try to get these pieces out now, maybe try to drop the cover down and shake them loose. I'm not too sure. It's so heavy that my options are limited. Okay, got it out. That's one half at least. I think I damaged the cover binding between the two a bit, so I'll have to see how I can undo that and repair that, but at least I got this heavy thing out. All right, trying to get the second panel out now. Pretty difficult. Just been wiggling it around, trying to get it to come out, but it just won't budge. So that's just the update. So after a while, I started noticing that there's cinching right here, and that brought my attention to the old lifter bar was actually screwed into the foam. So that's connecting this cover to the foam. That's why it's not coming out. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove these now.